Court testimony is shedding new light on the killing of a 13-year-old girl from Powell. Malachi Harris is charged with second-degree murder in the stabbing death of Savannah Copeland in October 2024. Court testimony is shedding once again new light on her death. 10 News reporter Ellis Rold has details now from the courtroom.
Today we heard emotional, graphic, and new testimony inside the courtroom at Malachi Harris's transfer hearing. Harris is accused of stabbing Savannah Copeland to death in October 2024 on a walking trail in the Broadacres neighborhood in Powell. He was 15 at the time. Savannah was 13. They were acquaintances. Savannah's mother testified about the moment she realized her daughter was missing, when Savannah's alarm went off that October morning and no one was in her room to turn it off. We also heard from the young man who discovered Savannah's body some 18 hours later while walking along a walking path in the Broadacres neighborhood. And new details came from the younger brother of Malachi Harris, who testified he was with Harris and Savannah the night she was killed, saying Savannah snuck out of her home and the three walked on paths behind the Broadacres pool to get Savannah a vape. For the first time, we heard, according to the younger brother, that another teenage boy was supposed to meet them near the pool, implicating him in the homicide. It's important to note, however, that prosecutors say home surveillance video places that teenager in his house at the time of the killing. Judge Tim Irwin also viewed crime scene photos and videos along with Malachi's brief recorded statement to police in which he said he stabbed Savannah after she came at him with a knife. We also heard from Malachi's ex-girlfriend, who testified Malachi told her the next day at school that he had, quote, gotten his first body. Testimony resumes tomorrow morning, after which the judge is expected to make a decision as to whether Malachi Harris will be tried as an adult. Reporting in Knoxville, I'm Ellis Rold.
And Savannah's loved ones are using her name to create a positive impact across Tennessee. The Savannah Grace Foundation advocates for education and mental health services while also supporting grieving families. Savannah's family also created the Savannah Grace Copeland Act, which is a state law providing $4 million each year to help child victims of abuse and neglect. When 10 News spoke with family last October, they talked about their plan to expand that law in hopes of increasing access to those services and teaching parents how to support children through adverse experiences.